Hey, Don Copeland here with the Mutoh 461UF, one of the XpertJet series. I want to show you a little something different we're going to do today. Usually, we're using this bad boy right here, which is our quote-unquote golf ball jig, available through Coleman & Company, which holds 60 balls, 5 dozen. We are printing on, you got it, golf balls. That is why we call it the golf ball jig. I'll tell you what, if you get one today, we're going to make a special offer. It's also going to be a ping pong ball jig. How about that? So we decided to try, how about ping pong ball? So this is what we're going to show you here. It's a couple I've printed. We're getting ready to print off 20 ping pong balls right now so that we can see that the print quality we get on these is probably better than a golf ball because you don't have dimples in it. And it's going to print just as fast. The amount of ink is almost immeasurable when you do these. And we've lined them up this way so we take advantage of the print head speed. The print head speed is always faster than the bed advance speed. We lined all the balls up across like this. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's get them printed. So we'll show you real quickly what we've done here in the software. You see we've brought in, we have the slots. You can't see them until we've ripped it, but it actually has the slots. If you look down here at the version below, you can see here, these are the actual slots for the holes on the jig. And we've set that up to center up on that. We brought them in and we've ripped this. And as you can see right here, this is the ink cost for all of these. That's right, just over a penny to print 20 ping pong balls. We're printing these in the fine mode, which is plenty good on the Mutoh. There's no need to get overkill, it's just a ping pong ball. And it's the size we're printing, which is about 3/4 of an inch wide. That's plenty of good resolution. So we're gonna go ahead and send the job over from here, hit print, and what I could do is if I was gonna do multiples of these, I could actually just drag it up from the bottom and print again. Little tip, if you're doing these to do some testing, you can actually just set up a couple across just to see how the first and the last print. That's how I verify that they were actually aligned properly. Anyway, back to our story. Let's go ahead and send these over to print. So there we go. Pop this open. Get a picture of these. Beautiful. All lined up nice and neat. Clean prints. Now we're going to run some numbers by you. As I said before, we printed all 20 balls for 0.51 cents, or just roughly a hair over a half a penny to print all 20 ping pong balls. And in other words, if we filled this bed up, we'd use about a penny and a half worth of ink. And here's the best part, time frame, 2 minutes and 5 seconds to print 20 golf balls, or a little over a minute to print 10. So you could print this whole bed in about 6.5 minutes, which would be 60 ping pong balls. So there you have it, another way to use your UV printer to decorate something different. You could, it doesn't have to just be for ping pong. If you're wanting to do something for, you could turn these into something for bingo. They use the ping pong balls in the bingo machines. You could use these. You could print the letters and numbers on those. All right, so there's a lot of different applications. You could probably have some fun with this, with decorating some stuff for Halloween as well. I don't know. You could have fun with that. The other cool thing about this jig that we offer through Coleman & Company is it holds 60 balls in this size range, whether it's golf balls, ping pong balls. But as you start to remove balls, I could put a baseball there and a baseball there and a baseball there. All right, so I could do larger balls in it. You're just not going to be able to use all 60 of the holes. So if you have round or spherical type of items that you need to hold, it doesn't necessarily have to be something like just the size of a ping pong ball or a golf ball. You could use this for larger balls as well, and use these. Once you align it up, that you know where these slots are at, and you can print to that as well. So there you have it. Today we're doing some ping pong balls. This is Don with the Mutoh 461UF, one of the new XpertJets.